What's going on, guys? It's Confortibars here for another video, and today we're gonna be doing a product review. So Nick, go ahead and take it over and tell me what we're doing.
Alright, so on our E55, this is our project car, something just have a little fun with here and there in the garage. We needed to do some new tires, and on the car it came with Michelin Pilot Sport 3s, and they're pretty bald, and plus we had a little too much fun with it. So we needed something just to get us through till summer, because we're not gonna be driving it that much through the winter, but just something that something to get around.
Pull us over, something cheap.
Normally we run Michelin's, Hankook, Pirellis, or Dunlops on any of our cars. For this one, we wanted something a little cheap just for now, because we were thinking about, just to hold us over. We're looking to maybe get new wheels for this car, so until then, we need something cheap. I was online and I found Lexani tires. I never heard. I knew their wheels and never heard of the tires.
Yeah, they make the wheels. Yeah,
and they're only $93 for the rear tires. And just for anyone that doesn't know, they're not like these are small tires. The rear tires on the E55 are $280. Well, I shouldn't say on the E55. On our E55, because we have E63 wheels,
they're wider.
Yeah, they're 285, 35, 18s. And the back tires, I think the regular E55 are like 265 or something like that.
Yeah, I believe it's 265 stock on the rear.
So they're
these rims are wider too. These are 9.5, and the stock E55 I believe are 9. So
yeah, so they're going to be cheaper on any one stock E55. For us, $93 per tire for the back. This is
super cheap. Yeah, especially if you're someone who likes to slate tires all the time, do burnouts and stuff. This is what you want. Don't waste your time getting like Michelin's that are like $300 a piece.
Yeah, if you're gonna have fun with your AMG or any sports car, this is an excellent tire. And I'll tell you what, we drove it, we had it put on. As far as ride quality,
pretty good. I think it's
extremely good. It's equal with the Michelin's or the Hankooks and Pirellis.
Yeah, I think they feel pretty nice. Now, obviously, we're not tracking the car, so we can't give you we can't give you a review of what it's like on a track. We're just around town, daily driving. So based off what we've done so far, we really like the tires. We think they're a good deal.
For $93, you really can't beat it. Especially for AMG owners, this is probably.
Someone likes burnouts.
If you're gonna go through tires, pretty often, this is a hell of a deal. There's no point in getting.
We show them, huh?
Yeah, let's go and show them.
Yeah, we gotta show you guys. All right, guys. So as you can tell here, the car is super dirty because it's been raining and snowing and whatnot. But anyways, here's the tires. Super dirty, like I said. There's the size you can read right there. 285, 35 are 18s. These are here's a logo, Lexani, just like the rim company, and they are. Looks like LX UHP 207. It's only Lexani they make to fit this rim, so nonetheless, it's a nice looking tire. I'll try to show you the treads here, but we're in the garage because it's pouring down rain right now. Let me see if I can actually get that for you guys so you can see what's going on. Maybe not, maybe. Yeah, they kind of resemble the Hankook Venice V12 Evo 2 tire, so it's a pretty nice looking tire. We really like it so far, but yeah, that's how they look. They're pretty sweet.
Alright guys, obviously we can see measured your tires, they're pretty good.
Nice looking tires. For the price,
For $93 a tire, they're pretty good tires. If you guys want to see any more videos on these tires, once we put maybe a couple thousand miles on them, if we even get a couple thousand miles out of them, maybe we'll do another video, let you know.
We'll see how long they last.
See if they're any good on a road trip. For right now, they're pretty good tires for $93.
I don't know, they're pretty nice. And we drove it in the rain. Traction's pretty good. We haven't driven in the snow, but
no slippage yet. I mean, we haven't really been getting on it. It's kind of cold out, but they're pretty good for $93, like I said. I mean, it's $93 for a tire for an AMG car. My God, we just spent like $800 on tires for our Honda, and that was discounted tires too. That wasn't even like
they're Michelin.
Michelin discount tires, $800. So I mean, for AMG, you really can't beat that. So leave your comments if you think. You might want to try these tires too yourself and get.
Let us know what you think about these tires. If you guys have tried them, let us know what you think about them, because we never heard of them until the other day we were looking online for them. So yeah, let us know what you think in the comments. I'll
share this video.
I'll be curious to see what people say about it.
Yeah, show some other AMG owners or any BMW owners or whatnot. So until then, see you next time.